You know what I didn't put in? But I'm not interested in instructions. I don't care. Once it tastes nice, it tastes nice. If it tastes nice, I'll do it again. If that don't taste nice, I'll do it again. Hey my Shay besties, it's your girl Shayna.J in the building. I know you see that badass thumbnail and you're like, Carnival in a cup. Yes, I'm gonna be making one badass Carnival juice in today's video. So if you're ready, like this video, and if you're not ready, still like this video, because what the hell are we doing? We are 2 away from 8,500 besties. So get subscribed and smash that subscribe button right now. Yeah. So what I have, right? The juicer. Obviously. I've cut up the pineapples, mangoes, and all that niceness, which is gonna make the Carnival in a cup juice. Yeah, come on. I also have my 2 oranges right here, coconut water. Now this is actually optional. I just chose to add it because, you know, it gives tropical vibes. Yeah, you know what I mean? Like, hey, yeah, put me under the palm tree. Yeah, vibe. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna be using today. Also, I've got my, well, I had 2 limes. Basically, now I've got 1 lime, a red apple, cinnamon, and who knows, because it is a Carnival juice in a cup, I might even add some Ray Nephews in there too, because you know what? Right, let's get right into this video. Woo! So let's take off the lid. Basically all I'm doing right now, I'm going to be putting in my pineapples, mangoes. Woo, Lord. Yeah, oh, Jesus. Oh, and also, if you want me to make any more juices, comment down below, let me know, because I love a good juice. Oh, Jesus. Yes, get in here. Oh my Lord, get in here. Thank you. Thank you. That's what we're talking about. Yeah. Okay. I can't wait to eat the mango. Oh my God. Right. So, I've got all of that goodness in here. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my Lord, it smells absolutely good. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go and peel, cut up my oranges and my lime and my apples, and I'll be right back. Yeah, so don't go nowhere. The only place you need to be going is in the comment section to let me know what other videos to do. Yeah, give me some pranks, okay? Right, I'll be right back. So I'm back from peeling the apple, cutting up the apple and the oranges. I know I was a bit long, right? Because you know why I was long? I was too busy reading your comments. So I hope you've commented, yeah? Right. Let's switch on the juicer. Let's get it rocking and rolling. Right. Woo! Are you not ready? Are you not ready for the woo? Bazam, bazam! Because I'm ready. Woo! Lord have mercy. Hold on, guys. You know what I didn't put in? The coconut water. Because I don't know how I expected all of this to blend down. You know, sometimes you just have to wonder what goes on in my brain. Bit of magic. And you know something? I don't really go by measurements because I don't really understand measurements, but hey. Just gonna There's one thing about me, I do not read instructions. I do not understand instructions. I just don't care about I'm not interested in instructions. I don't care. Once it tastes nice, it tastes nice. If it tastes nice, I'll do it again. If that don't taste nice, I'll do it again. Right. Okie dokie. Let's try again. Now okay. Down below, fancy. Nah, I'm not gonna say it again. I was just about to be like, fancy. Ooh, okay. Right, let's give it a nice little smell. Ooh. Oh, my show besties. Oh, I wish you lot could smell this. It smells like paradise. It smells so good. Oh my god, I am not gonna lie to you. This smells like but yes, right, on to the next now. Have my little instructions, you know what I mean? Like, I had to have little instructions. It only makes sense, right? Okay. So the next thing to do is, drum roll please. Right, I'm gonna put my ginger and squeeze a bit of lime into my juice. Oh baby. So I've actually got my ginger in here, so I'm just gonna pop it in. Oh Lord have mercy. My limes need to be washed and then I'll be squeezing them in. Oh baby, this this is so good. I'll be right back. Don't miss me too much, guys. Yeah, don't miss me too much. Okay, right, all right, cool. But make sure you like this video, yeah, and don't go nowhere. Right, your girl is back, and I'm back with the limes, which is required. So I'm just gonna squeeze it into the juice. Oh my god, this looks so good. I cannot wait to taste this. I'm waiting on tomorrow. Oh Lord of mercy. Lord of mercy. Then make sure you squeeze out all the juice in the lemon, in the lime, I mean. Ooh. And then once this is all done, we're gonna be putting the blender back on, putting the juicer back on. Right. Let's go to the bin. So now we're gonna put the lid back on. And we're gonna juice it again. Right, so now that's all blended, let's have another smell test. So I believe the last thing for me to add is a bit of cinnamon, which I've got here. And this is also optional, so if you don't want to add it, you don't have to add it, but me, I love a good cinnamon, so clap the tea. Yeah, clap the tea, baby, clack it. Hopefully by the time you see this video, I would have had my 8,500 besties, because what the helly, like, come on, subscribe, punch that subscribe button and tap in with the likes button. Come on now, what the hell? So right, okay, right, I don't want this side. Okay, right, so here we go. I'm literally just gonna sprinkle a bit, you know, sprinkle. Then I'm gonna take a spoon and stir it all together and oh Lord, oh. So here I got my wooden spoon. Now I'm gonna give it a nice, oh Lord, oh my God, this is thick. Oh! Guys, I'm so excited. I need to try it right now. I'm not gonna lie, I do need to try this because this tastes like heaven in one's eyes. Like, smell it. Can you smell it, guys? This. Ooh. I got me glass. As you can see. Yeah, ooh. Cheers. And I am gonna be a bit, you know, fancy and add some ice. So let me go get the ice and I'll be right back. Yeah, baby. Tea. Clack the tea. Yeah, clack it. Here I've got the ice. Voila. Yeah. So, you like one ice? I'm so excited to try this drink. Oh my God. Yes, here is the famous Carnival in a cup juice. Let me taste it. Ooh. And you know, if you want to give it more of a Caribbean juice, add this. Hold on. Ooh. So here I got my rum from Barbados and my rare nephews. So you know, if you want to get a bit, all you gotta do is just add a bit of a splash. You know what I mean? Just a little splash. I'm not promoting alcoholism drinking over this side, but you know, it is a Carnival juice, so. You know, you gotta add the rare nephews as well. Oh, baby. And you know, give it a nice little mix and. Yeah. Ooh. 10 out of 10. Oh. Baby, this tastes damn good. This tastes damn good. Listen, wherever you are in the world, if you celebrated Carnival in your country and you didn't make this drink, what are you doing? This drink is bad, meaning good. This is oh, I actually think I'm bringing this one to Carnival because listen, I can't even save none. That's how good it is. Like, what the hell? Anyways, my Shay besties, thank you so much for joining me whilst I make my Carnival in a cup juice. Tropical vibes. Yes. Oh. If you make this drink, make sure you tag me because I want to watch your videos too. Like, what the hell is this tastes wicked. Oi, let me go sit down and enjoy the rest of this Carnival Tropicano juice. I can't even think of the words. It's so damn nice. Woo! Lord have mercy. Woo! Jesus Christ. Woo! anyways, your girl's gonna go because that drink is clearly getting to my head. Woo! Lord have mercy. Give me the strength to see another drinking video. But anyways, make sure you all like, share, comment, subscribe. Besties, I see you, you know. And some of you are just watching and not subscribing. Make sure you're subscribing. Like, hello. Hi. And don't forget to hype up this video. That's also a new feature on YouTube which you can do. Hype up the video, support me, you know. Like the video, it's free. Come on guys, all you're doing when you're liking the video is pushing it out into the algorithm to let more amazing people like yourself see it. Right, your girl is out. Peace. Bye. Wait.